Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 1203 South 16th Ave in Yakima. We will be viewing apartment number 11, which is upstairs on the second floor. We are right across the street from Yakima Valley Community College parking lot. Nearby Taco Bell, Taco Time, Knob Hill Boulevard. This unit is upstairs. After going up the stairs, we are now on the second floor, and it's going to be the first apartment to the left. There we are. Right to the left is the kitchen, as well as the dining room. I am now standing in the living room. Baseboard heaters with large windows. Straight down is the bathroom, with the bathtub and shower. To the right is the bedroom, where we also have baseboard heater and a large window. As you can see, straight across the street is Yakima Valley Community College. The closet, I'll open one of the sliding doors. So you can see it has a built-in dresser. And on the other side, there's just a regular closet to hang your clothes. That is it. Like I said, this is on the second floor. The address is 1203 South 16th Ave, apartment number 11. We are very close to Yakima Valley Community College. One bedroom, one bathroom, with your kitchen and the dining room, large living room. You have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.